What if I told you that one of the biggest changes in cybercrime over the past few years isn't a new virus or a powerful hacking tool, it's artificial intelligence? No, ChatGPT doesn't magically hack into computers. It doesn't break passwords. And it doesn't bypass security systems. But cybercriminals have discovered something even more valuable. They use AI to work faster, sound more convincing, and scale their scams like never before. Today, we'll look at how criminals abuse AI tools like ChatGPT, where the real dangers are, and, most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Let's get started. For years, one of the easiest ways to spot a phishing email was bad grammar. Misspelled words. Awkward sentences. Obvious mistakes. Today, that's changing. I can help attackers generate polished emails, fake customer support messages, and convincing business communications in seconds. Instead of spending hours writing scam emails, they can quickly produce professional-looking text that is harder to dismiss at first glance. Another area where AI is changing cybercrime is social engineering. Cybercriminals study publicly available information from company websites, social media profiles, and news articles. They then use AI to help draft personalized messages that appear more relevant to the recipient. For example, instead of sending the same generic email to thousands of people, they can create many variations tailored to different audiences. That doesn't make the scams unstoppable, but it can make them more convincing. AI also helps criminals save time. They can use it to summarize technical documents, explain programming concepts, organize stolen information, generate fake customer service conversations, or rewrite messages into different languages. This allows scams to reach victims in many countries with fewer language barriers. Another growing concern is fake websites. AI can help generate realistic marketing copy, product descriptions, and customer support text for fraudulent websites that imitate legitimate businesses. That's why it's more important than ever to verify website addresses before entering passwords or payment information. But here's something many people misunderstand. ChatGPT itself isn't designed to help people commit cybercrime. It has safeguards that limit requests for malware, credential theft, and other harmful activities. When those requests are made directly, the model is designed to refuse or redirect them toward defensive, educational, or ethical information. That's an important distinction. The real threat isn't the AI itself. It's the person choosing to misuse technology. Just as criminals misuse phones, email, and social media, they may also misuse AI to support scams or fraud. Cybersecurity professionals are also using AI, but for very different reasons. Security teams use AI to analyze logs, summarize alerts, explain vulnerabilities, generate secure code examples, review configurations, write documentation, automate repetitive tasks, and improve incident response. Developers use AI to learn programming, understand unfamiliar code, and identify potential software bugs. Students use it to study networking, Linux, and cybersecurity concepts. In other words, the same technology that can be misused is also helping defenders work more efficiently. So how can you protect yourself in this new AI-powered world? First, don't trust a message simply because it sounds professional. Always verify unexpected emails, text messages, or direct messages before clicking links or opening attachments. Enable multi-factor authentication on your important accounts. Use unique passwords with a password manager. Keep your devices updated. And if something creates urgency or asks for personal information, slow down and verify it through official channels. One of the biggest myths online is that AI has made hacking automatic. The reality is much more complicated. Most successful cyberattacks still rely on phishing, stolen passwords, software vulnerabilities, poor security practices, and human error, not AI magic. AI is changing how both attackers and defenders work, but it hasn't replaced the need for technical skill, careful planning, or good cybersecurity habits. The future of cybersecurity won't be humans versus AI. It will be people using AI to defend against people who misuse AI. Understanding how these tools work is one of the best ways to stay ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking, AI, cybersecurity, privacy, and digital security content. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and stay secure online.